As we approach the end of this year, I can see that God has been leading Weimar University to strive higher and closer to the ideals of true education. I'd like to share some things happening on campus that have shaped our year and furthered our mission to heal a hurting world. Over this year, our campus has had a renewed focus on unity and mission. This came across in many different ways. Recently, Weimar University had its site visit by the WASC accreditation team. We're pleased to report that the initial feedback was quite positive. During the site visit, the accreditors affirmed our unique focus on mission to heal a hurting world. Positive feedback was also given particularly in the areas of work study and student involvement in the surrounding ministry programs on campus, encouraging us to look for more ways to articulate and provide practical student learning through the healing ministries of the New Start residential program and the Depression and Anxiety Recovery program. We've seen a revival sweep through our university as groups of students seek God's will together. On the same token, our staff have been meeting together weekly. These efforts to more closely follow God's guidance have come together when both staff and students united for a prayer vigil through the early hours of the morning. In light of the growing bond between staff and students, the student body also arranged a surprise staff appreciation banquet. During the Light Supper, students gave short appreciation speeches, thanking various staff that have touched their lives. This event was a testament to the family atmosphere here at Weimar, a touching reminder of the importance of building a supportive, empathetic, and gracious environment in all that we do. This year, the Weimar Company was officially organized as a church of the Northern California Conference. Over the weekend, various leaders from the church conference spoke at the inauguration, cementing our commitment to supporting the global SDA church. Finally, Weimar University held a colloquium on the importance of physician-minister teams, highlighting the necessity of uniting the gospel proclamation with demonstration. Over the weekend, various teams from both New Start and the Nedley Depression and Anxiety Recovery Program shared insights and lessons on the importance of combining physical and spiritual healing with a net of a team working together. Academically, Weimar continues to excel with 94.6% acceptance of all of our applicants to U.S. medical and dental schools. Also, 100% of our nursing students have passed the NCLEX again this year. No Weimar nursing student has ever had to endure not being able to be a licensed registered nurse. In addition, all of our education students who will be graduating this May have jobs, as well as all of our pastoral students. Weimar graduate success has never been higher and continues to increase. In 2025, with your help, we plan to make Weimar more accessible through completing our new in-person and online classrooms, completing a new dorm, and starting construction on our new music building to hold our new music program that emphasizes, of course, healing music. As we approach the Christmas season, I am reminded of these words: press together, press together. Unity is strength, division is weakness. I am deeply grateful for the contribution of each person in this community, students, faculty, staff, and our Weimar supporters. It is your united efforts that continues to make Weimar such a special place where the Holy Spirit is daily felt and teaches truth through His servants. May this Christmas be a time of rest, renewal, and joyful celebration as we look forward to all that this coming year will bring. May God bless you abundantly this holiday season and in the year to come. I'm Dr. Neil Nedley.